upon a time, there were two pigs, and they were neighbors. And please enjoy our show. Video taken from the Goble family. Please enjoy our show.
Knock, knock, knock.
You're not supposed to. Remember, Dad? What do you say?
Little pig, let me in.
Not from the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down.
Hey, bud, run.
Come on.
No.
Little pigs, let me come in.
Not by the hair of our chinny chin chin.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down.
You can't blow a castle down.
I can't blow a castle down. Then I'll come in through the chimney.
Let's put a big, hot stove. Slow.
Yeah!
Let's go. Move it. Come back. My dad, come back. You get to bow now. Come on.
Okay. Thank you. Yay.
It's not even getting us.